Prize winner, Nathan Deal. This is a 17-foot Great Auk kayak. His company is called Against the Grains Art, and he's in Norman, Oklahoma, and it's a beautiful piece of woodworking. And one of the things that, in addition to being the winner of this thing, our friends here at Castle have elected to sweeten the pot and give this gentleman one of their wonderful pocket hole machines. Max, would you like to talk about it?
Well, this is a vital piece of equipment for boat builders.
I don't know, maybe he puts on his gunnels with it.
It shows up in the most wonderful spots. But anyway, we're tickled pink to be part of the push towards the youth of America moving forward with excellence in woodworking, and pleased to be part of your program, and thank you very much. It's a real treat for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's great. It's great.